Hey guys, welcome back to Emmatainment, where today I'm going to show you how to make your own personalized, original, and free Instagram highlight icons. I looked at some apps. There's a lot of apps that were offered where you can create your own highlight images, and when I was in those apps, they had a few free options. They were pretty basic, and just a few icons that were free. After that, there was a lot of in-app purchases that I had to do. I was like, I'm not gonna use the free ones because a lot of people have the same ones on their page, and I really wanted my icons to be different from the rest. So I took some time and figured out a method where I can choose my own color and find my own icon and make it my own. I think highlights is a really cool way to showcase off your profile, and what way to do that but to personalize them to make them match who you are. Why have the same as everyone else? Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to get your free icons, make them on your phone, and you don't need to use any pro apps or any apps at all other than Instagram and your web browser. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you guys can see right here, these are what my Instagram icons look like. I decided to do a warm to cool or cool to warm color combo, and I'll show you guys how to find these different color scales and the icons all on your phone for free. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna find the background color images that I want to use for my highlights. And for this, you could really do almost anything. I'm just gonna go to google.com and tap on images on the top. And this is gonna send me to Google Images. As you can see on here, I did do the warm color scale. That's what I wanted to do for my highlights, but you can really do anything. For this tutorial, I'm gonna try to do a marble background. I'm just gonna skim through these to see which ones look good. This one is okay. I kind of like this one because the image is going to be a small circle, so I want a little bit more detail in the marble. This one has some water prints on it, so I'm not going to use that. I went to the website and I did the preview of the photo, and I'm just going to hold down on that photo and press save image. After I do that, it will be hopefully added to my photo albums. So now I'm going to find icons in Google Images. And this can be pretty easy, so we're just gonna go back to Google Images. You're gonna wanna think about what kind of highlight stories you want. I wrote mine down first so I could find the different icons. I have one for my dog, I have one for adventures, and I have some for fitness, my YouTube. So let's just say I'm gonna be doing my YouTube right now. So I wanna do a camera icon. But one thing that you want to add after this is PNG. And PNG means that it's going to be a transparent image. There's not gonna be any background in it, so that's gonna be perfect to lay right on top of your marble background or whatever color you want. And I can see there's some black, there's some colored ones. This is really where you need to decide what color you want. It's usually easier to go with black or white. If you want to do specific colors, you might be able to find those on Google Images, but that's something that's a little bit more pro level that you might have to take to Photoshop. I think this one's super cute. I'm gonna hold down on it, save image. Now what you're gonna do is you are going to create those icons in Instagram stories. What I'm gonna do is I am going to go to camera on the top left, and this is where I'm going to add to my story. So we're gonna go to our photo album on the bottom left. That's gonna open up our photos, and now I'm gonna put the background in first. This looks kind of, it's okay. It could be better. Now we are going to go back into the sticker book, which is gonna be on the top with a little happy face guy. Press images, so you can add another image. I'm gonna add in that camera. Place it in the middle, like so. And I want my icons to be a little bigger. Here's the annoying part, is you have to post it on your story and able to post it as a highlight icon. I'm just gonna write a little thing, test, just so people don't think that's like actually my story. And then I'm gonna go ahead and press send to. First you have to share, so everyone gets to see that random post. You're gonna wanna add the new highlight. So it's gonna be plus, I'm just gonna write test and then add. Let's press done and look at our profile. So the newest one is always gonna be in the front. You can see right now that the test one is there. Another thing I wanna do is I could hold down, press edit highlight, and from here I can edit the cover and I can just move the highlight around. I can make the image bigger, smaller, done. And that's simply how you make your own highlight icons for Instagram. There's no need to pay for some basic icons that literally everyone uses. Go ahead and try it out. Let me know if you guys have any questions or if you want any more tutorials on any social media platforms or anything like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's Emmatainment. Click subscribe and follow me on my social media.